Would you like to live in the house between you and your neighbor and then have this water feature right between two homes? Welcome to Perry Homes Model Homes. This model that we're going to be touring is 3,399 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3.5 baths, and 2-story. Hi everyone, this is Leander from Winville Realty. Today I will be touring you a beautiful Perry Homes Model Homes in Parkside on the river. And this model is located in the Leander School District, and they do have a lot of inventory that's available. And the current incentive for homes at Parkside on the river here with Perry is that they are giving a $50,000 flex cash if you are to build a house. If you buy one of the inventory home, they will give you 4.99 interest rate. And of course, you can negotiate on the price as well with me. As an agent, I can help you in that. But besides that, you can also either use that for the interest rate buy down, or you can use it half for interest rate and half of closing costs, or prepay as well. So up to $50,000. And it depends on the price of the home and whether it's an inventory or new build homes. But this model that I am going to tour you is 3399 P, and P is the elevation, and 3399 is square foot of the house, and that's how Perry is naming their floor plan by the number of the square footage. So make it easier for agents like us to remember to tell our clients. So this beautiful Leander community, so this model home is located on the Leander side, like I mentioned earlier. This is Parks on the River with the address of Leander, but right because it's lying between Georgetown and Leander, so you will have two different school districts. The HOA here is $70 per month, and the tax rate in the Leander is about 2.6 before homestead discount. With homestead discount, it will be about 2.3%, so which is not bad. So location wise in the Leander, again, it's very close to Cedar Park, so you see all the business shopping like Costco, HEB, freeway access to 183, I-35, the Round Rock Outlet Mall, to the Domain, and to also the Apple campus is very, very convenient. And Cedar Park is growing, Leander is growing. This is just right on the border between Leander, Georgetown, and Cedar Park, and even Round Rock. So I used to live in this area, so I know my kids went through Leander School District school, so it's really good school. So if you have family that want to move over to Leander, feel free to reach out to me if you want free consultation. Now I'm going to be touring you this beautiful home, but let me walk out here so you can see the entire house. I love Perry Homes floor plan. It looks very modern, and it's beautiful. This home is the one that has beautiful staircase, which I'm going to be showing you. So on the left side is an office. Okay, on the right side, like we saw from outside, that's going to be the garage area. And over here is the mudroom. Here there is a powder bath, 3.5 baths. So this is the half bath for guests. And then a laundry room here, which connected to the master bedroom, which we're going to tour later on. But here is the guest room. This have a full bath right here as well on the first floor. So this room is so beautiful, the way it's located with a lot of windows and beautiful view. Okay, whoever buy this model home when they sell later is so nice. Very nice lot location and nice model that's been picked as well. This is the full bath for this particular room and downstairs. So come with me to check out the family room and the dining room. Okay, before we go to the family room, there is a section right here that distinguish between the dining area and the family room and the kitchen. So that give you a little bit more separated content on the different room. So this is the dining room. Okay, as you can see, this is below the staircase. There is area that you can use to decorate. Here is the family room, and as you can see, that is the area for dining room. You can basically see the room over here, but there is a wall right there is separating the dining room. First floor is very roomy. So let's walk through the kitchen, and you can see the granite countertop here is so beautiful, and you have oven and the microwave combo and the place for refrigerator, a lot of shelves and cabinet. There's go your pantry, and I believe this is a walk-in pantry as well. Yes, with all the papers in there. And here is your kitchen with a vent hood that's going up to the outside. Okay, right now Perry is giving $50,000, like I mentioned earlier, for anyone who pick a lot and build a house. You can use that for upgrades, and it's flat cash or closing costs, or partial of upgrades and partial of closing costs, and it depends on the price of the home. But you can also buy an inventory home, and you can get up to a certain amount of cash back to use for your closing, or you can lock the rate at 4.99 interest rate. So basically you can use it for closing costs, lock down the rate, prepays, or a design center at its side out there. Okay, so that, and here is the dining area. So earlier you saw the dining room is formal dining room, and this is supposed to be like a breakfast room. Should be smaller, but look, huge. I like this part a lot because it allows you to put a long table with a lot of windows. You have 5 different windows here, and then the sliding door at the family room, so you basically have a lot of natural light come into, flow into your house every day. So before we go upstairs, I want to show you this beautiful staircase. Normally, Western homes give you nice staircase, but here is Perry's home, okay? No difference. You know what it looks like? A piano. The shape. I will go upstairs and we'll look down and see what the view is going to be like in a little bit here. Check out the master bedroom, and the ceiling is very high in here with multiple windows. Okay, a lot of natural light too. The accents been added to this door is sliding door to get to your master bathroom. Okay, here's your master bathroom with a walk-in shower and a standalone tub and double vanity over here with a lot of cabinet for storage. I love that long big mirror and the accents of the lighting. And walk in here, there's a private toilet and also a linen closet. And the kids can do the laundry from this door in, and making sure that you lock this door when the laundry is running, because it may be a little bit noisy, but very convenient. Now let's check out the upstairs. After this master bedroom, we will be going upstairs. Check out to see how many bedrooms are upstairs. See how it is curving up here and it's floating. It's like you are on the boat. It's pretty. So up here, there's a loft and it's big enough for a ping pong table with a lot of windows. And here is also a media room. So this design has 2 little windows in there, but if you like to watch movie in the dark, you can ask the builder not to put those 2 windows there. Okay, and there's the door. Okay, so let's check out the this is the view at the front. Okay, and see how modern is one of the bedrooms upstairs. First bedroom upstairs, and this one actually has a walk-in closet as well. Okay, let's move to the second room. This is your second bedroom and a full bath. Or if you have friends coming over, play games over here or watching movie, you can also share that bathroom. Okay, so let me see how I'm getting out. Okay, through this sliding door. All right, look at that beautiful yard and a big backyard with cover patio, very long cover patio with balcony, and this beautiful oak tree is right there. Oak tree is a tree symbolizing Texas, so we cannot cut down them. If you have a oak tree anywhere in your yard, make sure you don't cut them down because you might get in trouble with the state. This is a beautiful lot. They grow the trees there for privacy. Also a path to walk out there for a outdoor. This location of Leander is so beautiful and it's very convenient. So if you actually moving out of state and wanted to move into Texas, closer to Austin, Leander is a place that I recommended because it has really good school district. It is in the suburban, but very close to the city, and you still have a decent landscaping with trees and with a lot of nature going on. You can hear the birds singing right now, right? And the sprinkler system's on, but it's such a beautiful city to be in, and it's very close to all the shopping, in Cedar Park, very close to Round Rock Outlet Mall, and a lot of amenities in this area. You don't even need to go outside if you have kids. If you're not on vacation, you can always take them to play pickleball, play tennis, walk in the trail with your pets, and also go to swimming with multiple swimming pools in the area with only $70 a month of HOA. All right, thank you for watching. If you are looking for homes in the Leander, Georgetown, or Cedar Park, Round Rock area, feel free to reach out for a free consultation. Thank you. See you in the next video. Also, if you are new to my channel and have not subscribed to it, please feel free to subscribe for my next video and new community that's coming up in the northern Austin area as well. Bye.